What's up guys, it's Mitchell with Texas Hards and I have a special one for you today. 2024 red CT5 Blackwing. Now, let's rewind 2 decades to 2004 when they actually released the CTSV. Now what they did was they put a 6-liter with a manual transmission in a 4-door sedan. Well now, 20 years later, now we have a 6.2-liter, 668 horsepower beast. I mean, this thing is just raw muscle. Now, these CT5 Blackwings range from $82,000 all the way to $130,000. Well, this one, brand new, $119,900. You can have it right now for $99,991. This thing is a bargain. If you're looking for a sports car and a family sedan, this is the best of both worlds. So let's check out the specs on this one. Now this one does have the Carbon 1 package, which if you notice has that beautiful carbon front splitter and a beautiful carbon rear wing with a lot of carbon fiber interior pieces, which is amazing. Now, if you notice that grille looks really, really cool. Now that is specified to the V, and that helps with cooling the vehicle down with the heat exchanger right back there, your radiator to keep everything cool. Coming on back with these beautiful 20-inch bronze multi-spoke wheels with a 6-piston Brembo brakes. Now again, with the Carbon 1 package, with the carbon fiber front splitter and the carbon fiber rear wing and the carbon fiber interior, this thing is bang for the buck. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start this thing up and hear what it sounds like. Now this vehicle does have the LT4 6.2-liter supercharged engine, which you see in the ZL1s, the Z06s. Well, this one, again, 6.2-liter, 668 horsepower paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission. But what is super cool, you actually get to option this car with a 6-speed manual transmission still to this day, which is absolutely amazing. Now, it's, again, a really, really cool option on this car. It actually has what's called Super Cruise. And what that does is basically drives itself on the highway so you can hands-free and go down the highway wherever you need to go. Now, this is not your grandfather's Cadillac they drove to church on Sunday. This is raw American muscle. So let's take this thing out and go drive it. Now guys, driving the CT5 Blackwing is, again, driving like a nice smooth Cadillac, but if you hear that American muscle sound, it is just unreal. And if you notice, it's pretty quiet in here, but you can hear that exhaust in track mode just a little bit to give it that American muscle sound. Absolutely phenomenal. Now this one is listed for $99,991 with only 8,000 miles, which is again a just bargain of a deal. And this bright red paint going down the road just looks absolutely phenomenal. Now what's really cool is you can put this vehicle in manual mode and use these sweet paddle shifters, so you can know exactly what gear you're in at the precise moment. Now again, back in 04, like I said, when they came out with the CTSV, you know, they were very, you know, old school muscle feel. Well now, 20 years later, this thing is refined and this thing just picks up and goes with that dual clutch transmission. Absolutely phenomenal. And those Brembo brakes will stop you on a dime. Now again, if you wanted to option with the carbon ceramic brakes, you can. That's a little overkill for just a street application. But again, this thing handles, if you notice, just right around the corner, and you just put your pedal right to the floor, get some wheel spin there, and just get on that highway and go. Now, my favorite part is this beautiful brown interior. It gives it that luxury feel, but still with these sport bucket seats, has that amazing hug feeling to where you're just not going anywhere. Now again, with this vehicle has several modes: street mode, comfort mode, track mode, you know, ice mode. This thing right now we're in track mode, tightens the suspension up and just gives it all the power we need right there, just precision. Again, Cadillac really outdid themselves when they designed the CT5 Blackwing. Now, if y'all guys are interested in this vehicle or anything on TexasHards.com, please click on the link below, give us a call. Thanks for watching.